What up, y'all? I got this Schlage Everest here that I'm gonna pick for MC Foo's Flying Red Buddha giveaway. And congrats on your black belt, bro! Million times congrats. But this is the bidding on it. And it's got security pins. So each low cut is a serrated pin and each high cut is a spool. And so we're gonna try and get this thing open in a reasonable amount of time. I know this isn't a high security lock, but this souped up version really makes you engage with it. So first we're going to go in here and just touch any binding pins that we get. Felt like 6. Couple on 1, 2, 3. Come on, number 5. There we go. Couple serrated clicks out of 5. And that felt like 2. We just went into a pretty deep false set. So I'm going to take this little half diamond, stick it in the bottom, and just give it a little twist, and that will get the check pin at the bottom. Now we're going to go in here and try and set these spools, which are 2, 4, and 6. So let's see which one's binding here. Feels like 4. Alright, so I think I got it, but I may have dropped pretty much all the serrated pins. So that's 1, 5, 3. Alright, there's 1. So hopefully pin number 4 stayed up through all of that. Feels good. Let's go for number 6 here. Alright, good. That felt good. Let's see if we dropped any serrated pins. Yeah, there was 1. And 3. We fell back into the nice deep false set. So that should just leave us 2. Way up there. Make sure I execute this properly. Alright, so I think I set it, but I think we're dealing with some more serrated pins that fell. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, and 3. There we go. I think as to why I really enjoy picking this lock, it's a bit of a dance. You know, you go in and you hit all the binding stuff first, and then you get into the false set, and then you hit the check pin, and then you go after the spools, and then you gotta redo the serrated pins, and then when you get that open, it's just real satisfying. I bought this off eBay pinned this way. I just wanted to try a Schlage Everest because I've seen them in real life, and I was like, well, it's just got a bunch of standard pins in it. I don't really want to go buy a whole like cylinder just for, you know, pick a little standard pins. So I think I got it from Lock Sportsman on eBay, if I'm remembering that correctly. And it really is fun to pick. Let's get this bad boy open here. toss these pieces there. Dump our little pin out of there with the little spring. And now we're going to take this gnarly key. I just like looking at that. Let's see. That in there. Take our follower here. Need to shim this one. Famous last words, I guess. And we will dump out our key pins. Easy peasy. And now on the bottom it's got that little check pin. That's what we hit with the little diamond in about halfway through. And so as we take the key out, it can come out. Put that over there, and there's a little spring in there too. So, pretty open keyway. Doesn't have any core modifications, anything like that. But the tolerances must be pretty good considering I keep dropping those serrated pins in between setting the spools, and just all the clicks you get out of it is real satisfying. Let's see here. So we got a serrated and one. And a spool. Serrated. Spool. Serrated. Spool. This thing is really well pinned up because all the security pins come into play. I think with low cuts like that, maybe be missing out on some of the fun, but it was really well done. These organized up a little dealy here. Oy, oy vey. Picking a lot of real high security locks lately, so it's nice to play around with something that's just for the lulz. Oh my goodness, there we go. I like this pinning tray because it keeps things from going all over the place and rolling, but it can be kind of hard to manipulate the pins. These little walls are kind of high. Alrighty, so we are picked, we are gutted. Let's take a look at these little security pins here. Spools and your serrateds. And that was a lot of fun. MC, appreciate you being a bro. Congrats on just black belt, making cool distantanner lock videos, and all that stuff, man. Look forward to seeing who wins. Hopefully it's me. Appreciate y'all. Have a good one.